Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2023 Ducati Panigale V2. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description, or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has 2,110 miles, and does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this Panigale will need front and rear turn signals that match New Hampshire DOT standards. We measure this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tires at 330 seconds and the rear at 530 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider flaws not caused by normal riding. There are scratches on the upper side of each panel plastic, and a missing windscreen bolt. This bike has 2 keys, and comes equipped with ABS, traction control, EBC, and DQS. It's been upgraded with a rear fender eliminator kit, Puge windscreen, Savage Racing Parts turn signals, EP clutch and brake levers, bar end mirrors, a quick release gas cap, a carbon fiber ignition cover, and front and rear aftermarket turn signals. This bike has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and we also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.